Okay, good evening, everybody. Uh, there, yeah. Okay, good evening, everybody. We all from Unacademy team welcome you all in this discussion session. First of all, I just want to congratulate you all for this courage you have taken. You have given the gate exam. That is a really, really big, courageous move you have taken. First of all, you have decided that you'll go for gate exam. Then you decided that okay, you will prepare for it. You have done it. You have taken that challenge. After that, now you have given the exam. Also, that's a really, really big move. So first of all, congratulations to all of you. Second thing is whatever the clarity we have received from you as per the questions, as per the data, as per the details we have received from memory based questions, we try to solve in one of the session. If you haven't seen it, please watch it. And next thing we want to talk about is the analysis. So many people are saying paper was easy, some people are saying paper was very tough, some people were saying paper is lengthy. But see, based on current analysis, we cannot say exactly that what was exact difficulty level. But one thing we can say, and that is the paper was good, level was of course gate level. Okay, I'll hand it over to Sanchit sir. He will be talking about the paper.
हेलो एवरीवन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. जैसा विशदीप सर ने बोला उन सभी को दैट दोज हु हैव अ करेज टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अप्लाई फॉर गेट एंड देन यू गो एंड राइट द पेपर, बिकॉज 70% of the students who are doing BTech most of the time they don't even apply. So congratulations to you because these are the hard times. कोविड चल रहा है और बहुत सारे लोगों को पर्सनली बहुत इश्यूज था. लास्ट टाइम तक बहुत सारे लोग ट्राई भी कर रहे थे कि पोस्टपोन्ड हो, बट थैंकफुली चलिए पेपर कंडक्ट हुआ. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द पेपर, सो एज वी नो कि मतलब प्रिसाइजली तो हमारे पास 40 to 50% भी डेटा नहीं है, बट लेट मी टॉक अबाउट फ्यू सब्जेक्ट्स. सो लेट मी फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट DBMS. सो एज पर एक्सपेक्टेशन DBMS इज क्वाइट मॉडरेट जितने क्वेश्चन अभी तक हमारे पास आए हैं. तो विद क्लैरिटी वट आई नो दैट देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ट्रांजैक्शन. इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं फॉर 2 marks दे में कंटेन 2, 3 समटाइम्स इवन 4 शेड्यूल्स, बट दिस टाइम सिंगल शेड्यूल पूछा था एंड देयर वर 4 ट्रांजैक्शंस देयर. बहुत आराम से ऑर्डर ऑफ सीरियलाइजेबिलिटी बताना था जो अभी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हमारे पास है. सो इट वाज वेरी वेरी सिंपल. बस डेटा ही चेंज था, उसमें कोई भी क्रिएटिविटी नहीं थी. अगर आपने 2-4 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए देन आप उसको सॉल्व कर सकते थे. Then second question which we are sure about is from normalization, not even normalization, functional dependencies. So there was a relational schema, 2-3 dependencies थी and we have to identify the number of super keys. Exactly 2-3 साल पहले भी सेम पैटर्न पे क्वेश्चन एकदम रिपीट हुआ था. डिपेंडेंसीज भी इतनी सिंपल थी कि कंफ्यूज होने का कोई स्कोप ही नहीं था. आई थिंक जिसका आंसर 8 है. जो फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी हमारे पास है दैट वाज आल्सो प्री स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन जिसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन का स्कोप नहीं था. देयर वाज अ अगेन थियोरेटिकल 2 स्टेटमेंट्स क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम नॉर्मलाइजेशन. तो ज्यादातर केस में जैसा लास्ट ईयर हमने देखा था 4 स्कीमास थे, लेंदी क्वेश्चन था एंड वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द नॉर्मल फॉर्म फॉर ईच एंड एवरी स्कीमा. बट दिस टाइम देयर वाज जस्ट 2 स्टेटमेंट्स. लाइक जहां तक मुझे याद है कि अगेन अगर 2 ही एट्रीब्यूट होंगे देन दैट विल बी इन BCNF, और इफ ऑल आर प्राइम देन वेदर BCNF और 3NF. सो ये दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट ऐसे हैं जो इंडिविजुअली अगर मैं बोलूँ तो कम से कम 3-3 बार ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन में पूछे जा चुके हैं. सो नथिंग न्यू दिस टाइम. वही परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन करके बनाया था. SQL से शायद 2 क्वेश्चन पूछे, 1 फ्रॉम SQL 1 फ्रॉम अलजेब्रा, बट उसके बारे में वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट. AR डायग्राम टच नहीं किया, ऑब्वियसली सारे टॉपिक्स टच कर भी नहीं सकते थे. सो एज फार एज DBMS इज कंसर्न अच्छा वेटेज मिला 7 to 8 मार्क्स, और अगर आपकी प्रिपरेशन ठीक ठाक भी है तो +5-6 मार्क्स आप यहाँ से स्कोर करके आ रहे थे. सो DBMS इज प्रिटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड इट इज मैं बोलूँगा दोनों चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं, सॉल्व करना और लिमिटेड टाइम में सॉल्व करना. सो DBMS इस बार ऐसा था जो आप बहुत कम टाइम में आंसर कर सकते थे. Now talking after DBMS, talking about what subject?
Network you can take.
Network I can take. Okay. So talking about computer networks, अभी बहुत क्लैरिटी नहीं है बिकॉज शायद एप्लीकेशन लेयर से कुछ क्वेश्चन DNS पे पूछा गया. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट वाज, बट डेटा लिंक क्वेश्चन से बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. आपके पास डिस्टेंस था, स्पीड थी, बैंडविड्थ थी, एंड आपको बताना था एक पैकेट का साइज था अराउंड 1000 बाइट और टोटल ट्रांसमिशन टाइम प्लस प्रोपोगेशन टाइम ऐड करना था। तो इससे सिंपल क्वेश्चन में देखा नहीं। CSM में CD भी बोलता, स्लाइडिंग विंडो प्रोटोकॉल भी बोलता, तो भी आपको 2 फॉर्मूला लगाना पड़ता है। यहाँ पर 2 सिंपल कैलकुलेशन करनी थी। आई थिंक 7.08 मिली सेकेंड इज द आंसर। सो प्रिटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम डेटा लिंक लेयर। टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेटवर्क लेयर, देर वॉज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम सुपरनेटिंग। वी डोंट हैव द एग्जैक्ट डेटा कि क्या वैल्यूज पूछे गए थे, बट जहां तक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है वो भी प्रिटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन था। टॉकिंग अबाउट द ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर, वहां थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन था। एग्जैक्ट डायरेक्ट टीसीपी से कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, बट जो भी सेगमेंट का मैक्सिमम टाइम होता है, टोटल सीक्वेंस नंबर हम जानते हैं दैट एवरी बाइट को हम नंबर करते हैं, टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन 2^32, तो वो भी प्रिटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन था। अगर आप थोड़ा सा एफर्ट करते सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। बट उसके अलावा एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस थे, आई थिंक 2 क्वेश्चन जैसा स्टूडेंट बता रहे वो थ्योरेटिकल स्टेटमेंट्स जो अभी हमें क्लैरिटी नहीं है, सो वी कैन नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट। सो कंक्लूडिंग द आर्ग्यूमेंट, एज फार एज DBMS एंड एज फार एज दिस नेटवर्क्स इज कंसर्न, डिसेंट था, मैं बोलूँगा मॉडरेट था। बहुत आसान नहीं बोल सकते बिकॉज अभी सारा डेटा हमारे पास नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ इन दोनों के अंदर अगर मैं वेटेज मिलाऊँ तो 15 to 16, 17 मार्क्स का वेटेज है। अगर आप ठीक ठाक भी पढ़ के गए तो 10 नंबर प्लस आपके आ रहे होंगे दोनों को मिला के। हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. Now, let's hear from Reddy, sir. Subba Rao, sir, you tell us the courses from your expertise, and you can talk little bit about cutoff marks also. That what can be the expected cutoff mark we can have, right? Yeah, sir.
Yeah, so we got almost like half of the data. And first of all, right, as my friend said, congratulations. And one more thing is, right, maybe forget about the rank and all. You done lot of nice work this entire year. It will be really useful to you throughout your life. If you go to the any interviews, mostly this data will be useful to you. If you get good rank, well and good. Otherwise also your knowledge will not go anywhere. We are there always to support you, right? At any point of time, if you need any help, right, you can ping all of us. We are there with you. Unacademy is with you, right? Let's if you come to the this examination, so I got from TOC almost all questions we got from TOC point of view. If I say 5 questions came, all are very easy, directly straightforward from the notes only. TOC fully we got, every question we got. TOC is so easy, right? One question came from regular expression, which is very easy. Only 3 states are there. Normally regular expression means, I think finite automata is given regular expression. Actually many states are there, but you are so lucky, right? We are also lucky. So only 3 states came. I think 2 loops and all. It's very easy. And one more thing is, right, some languages are given, we have to identify this one is CFL or not, CSL or not, regular or not. We done many problem, that is also easy, right? 2 questions language verification, 1 question regular expression, 1 from the decidability. So that is I think TOC is easy one in this question paper. Next one, if you go to the compiler also so easy. 1 came from SDT, right? One SDT is given, some expression, some input expression also given, right? If you apply the above SDT on the given expression, what is the expected output? Answer is I think 80. Right, me and Sanchit sir both also explained this. Almost 80 is the answer for this. Next one is going to be, right, so LR0, LR1 grammar is given, right? If you construct LR0 purpose, if you construct the DFA, right, on I0 by applying plus, right, is asking something, right? That is a very easy. And right, so I think compiler also very easy questions came. And in if you see the data structures, right, we got only few questions. In data structure, 1 question is given like 1000 elements are there. If you keep in the complete binary search tree, right, to find out the third largest element, right, what is the location and all, 509 if I remember, right, 509. Yes, exactly. So that is the 1 question which we got. And right, some C programs, 2 C programs I explained also. And some more questions came. I think some data is missing, that is the reason, right, we didn't explain, because right, off data giving and which is going to be wrong, you will go to the depression, but we don't want to trouble you. So few things which we are very clear about the data, right, we explain. In algorithm, if you see, one question is came from minimum cost spanning tree, as everyone knows. One question is came from asymptotic notation, and right, one more question is came from the recurrence relation, right? So remaining questions we don't know, we don't have that much clarity. So TOC I can say very easy, and compiler also very easy, right? Algorithm I seen few questions which maybe looks like little tough, right? So data structures, whatever data I got, right? So those three are, one tricky and two are easy. On an average combined, if you see, I think it's the average are right less than the average as of now. Maybe some difficult questions, right? Maybe no student said to us because maybe it is really difficult for remembering also, right? So TOC easy, compiler easy, right? Algorithm may be little tough, I don't know, right? Because I didn't get the enough data for that. And data structures is, I think, average or above average. On an average, if you see, average or below average from my side, right? So now right now Uma Maheshwara sir will talk about mathematics and discrete mathematics, right?
So,
Hi dear students, congratulations whoever appeared the GATE examination. And in engineering mathematics, we got 4 questions, total 4 questions. And discrete mathematics, 4 questions and 6 marks. In discrete mathematics, total we got 7 questions and total marks are weightage is 9 marks. Total engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics together, weightage is 15 marks. Exactly this year they have given all the questions for 15 marks. Another thing, the questions are moderate, especially in discrete mathematics. Almost all 5 questions from graph theory and 2 questions from combinatorics. There was no question in logic this year. That's why always students used to ask which chapter is important. That's why in all India level competitive examination, you should not ask important chapters. This time there was no question in logic and set theory. We got 5 questions in graph theory. That's why each and every topic you have to prepare extensively. Another thing, the questions in engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics are moderate. There is no tough questions. One question MSQ in eigenvectors problem, that little bit consumes time, but by using the tricks we can solve it. So overall question is moderate. In total 15 marks, you can easily score 13 marks easily, right? That is about engineering mathematics. So overall cutoff, Sanchit Jain sir or Vishvadeep sir will, Subba Rao sir will give you the idea about that. Thank you, sir.
thank you so much, sir. Let's talk about digital also somewhat, sir. BV Reddy sir, please talk about digital.
Thank you, sir. First of all, congratulations to all of you, my dear students, those who have successfully completed the GATE 2022. You have been done very great preparation during the COVID situation also. And let's coming to our dancing subject, digital. So this time we got the around 3 questions we are expecting we got as per the sources. One from the number system, that is from the based upon the 2's complement. And another 2 questions we got from the students. They got 1 question from the combination circuits, 1 from the decoder, and but we don't have proper information about those questions, so that's why we are not able to solve the questions. And I already solved the number system problem. I already solved. It's a very easy problem. Based upon the 2's complement range, we can easily solve the problem. And as per the analysis, and this time so the from the digital they given the moderate problem they given, right? Let's hand over to Vishvadeep sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, chaliye to let me talk about my courses also. Let's come back to COA. So COA, 2 questions I guess came from cache memory. One was regarding that replacement something direct mapping. Second question was regarding the access time. Both questions were very easy, and we have solved lots of questions on YouTube and Plus platform of the same kind. Another question was there from floating point representation. That was also easy, as I have solved today. I told you in that question there was a small trick. If you could solve it directly without even getting the numbers also. Another question was there from pipeline prediction question. All the Plus members will say, yes sir, we have solved such kind of prediction question this year in the Plus class. So that kind of question also was there in the class. It was like all the questions. If you have attended all my classes, even though anywhere, you could have solved those questions. Might possible you might have taken extra time if you haven't had a good practice. Otherwise all the questions were easy. Let's come to the operating system. Then one question was there from semaphore sequencing. It was very easy question. Sanchit sir solved about that question. Another question was there we are not having clarity about. That is round robin, sir. Yes. CPU scheduling question is there. We don't have clear data about it. Another question was there from file organization also, that we don't have clarity about.
Paging
And yes, in inverted paging and paging also there is a question. So overall question paper was, I mean, from the system courses perspective, it was not so tough. But overall, if you see the paper, most of the students are saying that questions were new, so they have taken time to understand and then solve the question. So now you will remember my words when I used to tell you that when you will have the question paper in front of you, you will have to have that much practice and understanding that you can solve the question quickly. Sanchit sir also told the same thing, that if you will go for quick solution, only then you can get the good rank. Now Subba sir told the same thing, that if you have good practice, good understanding, if you have gone through his classes, courses, of course you will be having good marks. And Uma sir said that is another really important point. The point was like, if you will go for important topics only, this time you will not get good score. Otherwise, why? Just because this time they have touched those topics which were unexpected and less important. So let's conclude, sir. Let's conclude about this particular thing, that what do you say, what can be the cutoff, and what can be the highest marks for the topper, and maybe under 500 rank, with what marks they can have that particular under 500 rank.
So as far as my understanding is concerned, see, first of all it is like बहुत जल्दबाजी होगा अभी से conclude कर देना, because like 50% questions अभी हमारे पास आए नहीं हैं. But जो questions है और जो पेपर का टेस्ट है, मैं तो हमेशा कंक्लूजन की बात करता हूँ. टॉपर कितने मार्क्स पे जाएगा या कट ऑफ, इट विल बी देयर लाइक 25, 27, 28, कुछ ऐसा कट ऑफ जाना चाहिए. विच आई फील 30 शायद ही रेयरली जाएगा, इतने के आसपास ही होगा. जहाँ तक मार्क्स की बात है, बिकॉज देखो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ पेपर चाहे आसान है चाहे टफ है, इससे आपके ऊपर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, बिकॉज आपको जो एडमिशन मिल रहा है वो मार्क्स पे नहीं मिल रहा, वो रैंक पे मिल रहा है. सो कंक्लूडिंग द आर्ग्यूमेंट, हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन है कि हमको प्लेसमेंट चाहिए. फैक्ट यही है, ज़्यादातर बच्चे इसीलिए एग्जाम लिखने जा रहे हैं. प्लेसमेंट 2-3 लाख का तो ऑब्वियसली बीटेक के अंदर ही पॉसिबल हो पा रहा होता है. 15 लाख 20 लाख का पैकेज आपको मिले, मैं स्पेशली CSIT वालों के लिए बात कर रहा हूँ. वो पैकेज जिस लेवल के कॉलेज से आपको मिलता है, उस कॉलेज में आपको जाना है. और इस पेपर को देख के मैं कह सकता हूँ, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग 40 to 45 मार्क्स और इवन प्लस, देन यू आर अ विनर. अगर आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव प्लेसमेंट लेना था और ऐसे कॉलेज में जाना था, बिकॉज आप में से कुछ लोग होंगे जो स्पेसिफिकली शायद किसी PSUs को टारगेट कर रहे होंगे, कुछ लोग होंगे जो ऑब्वियसली बोल रहे होंगे मेरे को IIT बॉम्बे ही जाना है, मेरे को IIT दिल्ली जाना है. दैट इज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट स्टोरी. बट अगर प्लेसमेंट एक एजेंडा था, अगर आपके 40 मार्क्स प्लस आ रहे हैं, देन यू आर अ विनर, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. अगेन दूसरी बात, अगर आप इतने मार्क्स नहीं भी स्कोर कर पा रहे हो, तो अभी आपको बहुत टेंशन नहीं लेना, बहुत घबराना नहीं है. बिकॉज अगर एडमिशन्स की बात करूं तो बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपको आगे भी मिलेंगे. बहुत सारे IIITs हैं जो सेपरेट पेपर कंडक्ट करेंगे. और आने वाले टाइम के अंदर जो पूरा पैनल आप देख रहे हैं, ये जो 6 महीने की आगे की जर्नी है, स्पेशली जो काउंसलिंग वाला पार्ट है, आपके जितने भी मार्क्स हैं उससे क्या बेस्ट पॉसिबल हो सकता है. लास्ट ईयर ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनके 36-37 मार्क्स थे, बट दे कीप ऑन फाइटिंग, दे गेट अ गुड IIIT, नाउ दे आर हैविंग अ पैकेज ऑफ मोर देन 20 लाख. ऐसे भी लोग थे जिनके 40 to 43 मार्क्स थे, दे लूज होप, कहीं ट्राई भी नहीं किया, कहीं काउंसलिंग पे नहीं गए, एंड अगेन दे आर ट्राइंग. तो ये 6 महीना आने वाला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है, जिसमें आपको स्पेसिफिकली तरीके से ट्राई करना है. जो लोग अच्छा नहीं कर पाए हैं, आपको बैठ के सोचना है कि वो क्या क्या रीजंस थे, कंटेंट 100 प्लेस प्लस आप कवर करके गए थे कि नहीं गए थे, रिवीजन में कहाँ प्रॉब्लम हुआ। जैसे बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं मेरा 10 क्वेश्चन छूटा, मेरा 15 क्वेश्चन छूटा। देखिए अगर कम टाइम में सॉल्व करना है, 2 एजेंडाज आपको ध्यान रखना है। पहला तो सब कुछ रिवाइज होना चाहिए। सर याद सब कुछ था, पता सब कुछ था, आप भूल गए कि ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ लगना है, वो फॉर्मूला कहाँ लगना है, दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा था। दूसरा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें अगर आप पहले से प्रैक्टिस करके जाएंगे तो जस्ट आप देख के आंसर कर सकते हैं। तो जब आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व तो होता है लेकिन कम टाइम के अंदर भी होता है। तो वो सारी चीज़ें खैर आप देख सकते हैं कि ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे बैचेस हम स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं। विद इन 1 वीक, विद इन 2 वीक बहुत सारे बैचेस हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। और काफ़ी लोग थर्ड ईयर के थे इस बार मेरी क्लासेस में, तो बहुत सारे लोग थर्ड ईयर के थे जो ऑलरेडी 35-40 मार्क्स स्कोर कर रहे हैं या उससे अच्छा कर रहे हैं। तो नेक्स्ट ईयर तो हम फोड़ देने वाले हैं। बहुत शानदार तरीके से आगे बढ़ना है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप कंक्लूड करना है। पेपर वाज गुड। लास्ट में दोबारा रिपीट करूंगा, 40 प्लस मार्क्स आपके आ रहे हैं, देन यू आर अ विनर। एंजॉय।
Thank you so much. Let's hear from Subba sir. Subba Rao sir, you just conclude the paper.
Right. So by seeing from my side whatever we got information, right, I can say paper is on an average, on an average all the subjects and all. Just I'm giving some roughly. It is average paper. Not too tough also, not too easy also. Average. Right. I'm thinking 65 marks if you get, or more than 65, you will go to good IIT. 65 or more than 65, right? If you get approximately 55 to 65 marks, right, you may be mostly end up with NITs, right? Less than 50, right, less than 50, right, you may not get NITs, you may not get IITs. So you have to go for maybe central universities, maybe triple ITs, right, state level universities. So 65 or more than 65, right, you will definitely get the IIT. Right, these are right. So remember those people who done nice, right, nice plan. Not only writing exam, you should have plan also, right? So if you have plan now, if you have at least plan now, at least now onwards plan it. Joining, right, so starting the preparation before 3 months, before 5 months, it may not work out. At least plan from now onwards. Whatever happened, right? So at least from now onwards plan properly. If you keep on crying, right, it may not solve your problem. I also cried many times after gate exam is over. I cried. So through experience I'm saying it may not work out. Replan again. If at all something didn't work to you, right, just replan. You are a small kid of 20 years old or 21 years, just replan it, then everything is all right. So it is the right average paper. At the overall it's the average paper, right? 65 you will get the IIT, right? I think topper may get approximately 85, 80 to 85 marks topper will get. So if you get 80 or more than 80, you will be in top 10, or 75 also okay. Right. So 80 marks you will be in top 10 surrounding. 60 more than 60, 65 or more than 65, you will be in IIT. 60 to 65 NITs, right? I think that is my guess. Maybe it may be changed also, because half of the paper we don't know.
Yeah.
Really half of the paper we don't know. Algorithm questions I got 1 or 2, that is also with right, with not accurate data. So we really cannot comment about this. So just I think this is the conclusion from my side. It may be wrong also, because I don't know total data actually. Right? Yeah, that is from my side. Thank you.
Thank
for
you so
asking.
We have two conclusion from here. One, Sanchit sir told you guys that revision and practice are two very important part of your preparation. People are just trying to finish the syllabus and finish the syllabus. They were not thinking about revision or etc. We will understand the topic, then we will solve the question. That was they didn't know, hence maybe they suffered. Subha sir told about planning. I was also talking about planning in so many classes, that if your plan is good about anything, it's not about only gate preparation, about anything, whether it is a software development or whether it is a house construction, if your plan is good, then you will have end result really good in favorable condition. So now if you are going to have any kind of future plans, like you want to write the gate exam 23 or 24, plan properly, go ahead with your better plan and go ahead ahead with efficient learning, just because 1 year also sometimes not sufficient for so many people. Everybody is different, everybody's learning capabilities and timing per day, consistency, everything is different, focus span is different. So you will have to think about it. You'll have to think about it, that how many hours per day you can provide for your gate preparation along with your college, etc., etc. And based on that, you start as early as possible with the highest intensity and be consistent throughout the year. Sanchit sir was talking about batches. So lots of batches are starting from 9th of February. You all can join those batches on Unacademy Plus. Another thing is, we all take lots of, not me, all people take lots of free classes on Unacademy platform, which are the free classes called as Unacademy special classes. These classes are for those members who just want to have more interactive learning, or who want to have more interaction with us. So if you want to have more interaction with us, then type down the name on Unacademy platform of all the educators: Sanchit Jain sir, Subba Rao Reddy sir, BV Reddy sir, Uma Maheshwar sir. My name is Vishvadeep. So you just type down our name, follow the profile, and go to the special classes and come live. When you will come live and you will talk to us, we will guide you what you can do in future. Even though sir also told the same thing, that if you guys are not getting good marks, don't worry. Subba sir told that please do not cry, just plan for the future what best we can do. If you keep following this channel, we will bring lots of analysis session also, those sessions will give us the idea that based on previous year's cutoff, where we can reach based on our this year's performance, and what IITs will take, what kind of admission procedure, what are the colleges you can go for, and multiple things are there. Lots of colleges you can reach. As Sanchit sir told, again I am repeating, if you are getting 45 plus, you will be eligible to admit yourself in masters in such colleges where you can get 15 plus lakh package. Last year, just now few days ago, I have announced one more thing, that one student from BITS Pilani having just 40s marks in 40s, yes, from BITS Pilani he has received 26 lakh package in Cisco systems. So if you have some kind of understanding and knowledge of the courses, for sure you can score better. Okay, I am having a class at 7 p.m. Lots of other educators are also having classes, special classes. So please come to those special classes on Unacademy platform and talk to us, so that you can understand what exactly you can do for future. One more thing I want to tell you, that please do not take any kind of big decisions in the emotions. Yeah, I have seen that, sir, paper acha nahi gaya, now we will give up and we will go with that, or we'll go with this, we will cry, we will finish our life like this way, we will finish our career, etc., etc. Please do not do anything. Only one day you take, relax. Life is not over. You are just of 22 age. You can still go with better career, with amazing career ahead. Take our advices, and please go ahead with those advices. For sure, you will get lot of things. Any concluding remarks, sir?
Sir, one
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, sure.
So those of you who are preparing or who are now thinking about GATE 2023, दो तीन बातें जल्दी से एडवाइस करूंगा. पॉइंट नंबर 1, जैसा आप यूट्यूब पे सर्च करेंगे और बहुत सारे लोग आपको मिलेंगे एडवाइस करने वाले. सर, वेरी पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन, सर कोचिंग करना ज़रूरी है क्या? इस कोचिंग मैंडेटरी सेल्फ स्टडी से हो सकता है क्या? सो अगेन, अभी आपने पेपर लिखा, आप में से बहुत सारे ऐसे होंगे जिन्होंने सेल्फ स्टडी करने की कोशिश भी की होगी. आज इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारी रिसोर्सेज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल भी हैं. सी, the point is not about the content, the point is about the structuring of the content. So mentorship is very very essential. Again, सर बैठे हुए हैं, probability की क्या बात करें, क्या बिना कोचिंग के सिलेक्शन हो सकता है? हो सकता है. There is a probability of everything, but इस बात के चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं. और अगर आप बिना मेंटरशिप के, बिना गाइडेंस के बहुत अच्छा कर पा रहे, तो इमेजिन करिए मेंटरशिप होता तो आप कहाँ पहुंच पाते. तो ये चीज़ एडवाइस करूंगा आपको. पहला चीज़, डिसीजंस थोड़ा सा जल्दी लीजिएगा. अभी क्या होगा, बहुत सारे बच्चे सो जाएंगे. 23 बहुत बाद में है सर, जून जुलाई अगस्त में याद आता है. आप प्रिपरेशन जल्दी करना जब स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, तो आप गलतियां करते हैं, गलती करके सीखते हैं, और उन गलतियों को करेक्ट करने का टाइम भी आपके पास होता है ना. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों जो 2 महीना, 3 महीना, 4 महीने में कर पाते हो. फॉर एवरेज स्टूडेंट सर, इट विल टेक अराउंड 1 ईयर. 4 साल का जो कंटेंट आपने पढ़ा है वो 3 घंटे के अंदर आपको पेपर में लिखना है, उसमें समय लगता है पहले सब्जेक्ट को जानने में, पहचानने में, फिर उस लेवल की अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट करने में। देन टेस्ट सीरीज आपको लिखना है। गेट इज नॉट अबाउट कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन बहुत मुश्किल है, सिलेबस इतना बड़ा है भाई, बाद में कुछ याद नहीं रहेगा। 6 महीना पहले जो सब्जेक्ट हमने पढ़ाया होता है, बच्चे कंसेप्ट नहीं पूछते, आधे बच्चे तो ये भी भूल जाते हैं कि पढ़ा था कभी नहीं पढ़ा था, सिलेबस इतना बड़ा है। सो आपको रिवीजन 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 भी करते रहना होगा। सो हैव अ मेंटरशिप, बिकॉज अनअकैडमी एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म मैं आपको बताऊं, जिस लेवल का क्वालिटी, जिस लेवल का कंटेंट यहाँ पर सब लोग बैठे हुए हैं ना, जिस कॉस्टिंग में आपको दे रहा है, दैट इज अनबिलीवेबल। ऐसा पहले पॉसिबल नहीं था, वो भी कोविड टाइम है, घर बैठ के सेफ्टी के साथ। तो जल्दी डिसीजन लीजिए, है ना। बहुत सारे लोग ऐसी जगह दिमाग लगाते हैं जहाँ नहीं लगाना था, तो सब्सक्रिप्शन लीजिए, दिमाग फिर आके हमारी क्लास में लगाइएगा, और इट विल बी गुड जर्नी, आगे लेके चलेंगे। थैंक यू।
Any conclusion, sir, from your end, sir?
Yeah, so I want to say one thing. Many students sent to me to my WhatsApp and to my Telegram channel. Most of the questions are directly from my notes only. The reason is almost like 3,000 questions we solved. Entire year 3,000 questions. We done very difficult questions comparing with the gate exam questions. When I see these questions, some questions I laugh myself, because direct numbers also same, everything same. Same thing with all teachers also. Maybe they are not saying, right? No institute will do these many question solving every day. Every day lot of practice. Every day minimum 10 questions we will solve. Like that 300 days, 3,000 questions we solve. This much practice. Faculty itself is doing 3,000 questions practice, means you can imagine Unacademy students will do how much practice. Trust me, we not only teach, right? There is a lot of practice. Those people who followed the practice classes from starting to almost like 1 year practice, whoever along with us, they definitely will get really nice rank. Trust me, we done a lot of practice. So if you join Unacademy, right, if you start from now onwards, lot of practices we will do. Definitely, surely in the next year, right, if anyone is regretting now, right, next year this time you feel so proud. So what I want to give suggestion is, plan, let's replan. If anything is not going as you planned, let's replan. Let's give one more chance to the life, right? So I think that is my suggestion. I hope those people who are successfully completed the gate examination in the nice way, thank you so much and congratulations. We are really feeling proud for your success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, any conclusion from your end?
Start gate preparation from second year onwards. Crack gate in first attempt.
Okay, that's great. One conclusion from your end, sir.
The only thing what I want to suggest you is, have a dream, work for dream. Have a great dream and work for it. Definitely will get it. Okay, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So every educator is just telling you that you will have to work hard. However you prepare, whatever you prepared, you will have to work hard, and you will have to work on your preparation. As Subba sir concluded his points, that if you understand the content, understanding the content will not be sufficient. You will have to understand the content in such a way that you can solve tough questions. And when you will solve tough questions in your training, in your learning, then you will be having a very familiar, kind of situation in gate, where you will see the question, new question. Okay, fine, sir, we are fine with this. We have seen such kind of question, a little bit difference, but we can solve it. Again, I am telling you guys that whatever you decide, whichever the things you are deciding for your future, keep taking the suggestions from all the educators. And one more few more points I am having for all of you, few informations. If you are thinking about preparation further, we have some exciting offer and new batches starting from 9th of February. So immediately you can start the preparation. All those people who want to take subscription of Unacademy Plus for GATE, they have offer like this. You can see here, if 2-year subscription you will take for GATE, then 1 year placement preparation we will give complimentary along with that on Unacademy Plus platform for your placements. Another thing is, if you will take 1 year subscription, then 6-month complimentary placement preparation we will give to you guys, so that you will not have to worry about placement versus gate. Anyhow, whoever have attempted the paper, congratulations to all of them. Whatever the result comes, based on that we will keep analyzing what best we can do for you, so that you can go to some college, some PSU, IIT, IISc, NIT, IIIT, whatever, but you can kickstart your career with the best possible way which you can deserve. Thank you so much once again for listening, and thank you from all of us to all of you. Keep learning, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.